When you experience smoke or water damage, it doesn't just affect your home, it affects you as well. That's why at ServiceMaster Clean, we not only help homes recover, we help you recover too. Our experts restore your peace of mind with our quick response, clear communications, and thoughtful care for your home. For damage large or small, call ServiceMaster Clean. ServiceMaster Clean. Peace of mind restored.